ELICA Processing. Turnkey solutions for grain, seed, and food. We design, build, and install complete systems for bulk material handling, sunflower seed dehulling, seed and grain processing, and laboratory control, tailored to your needs. Our facility spans 63,000 square meters of land, including 26,000 square meters of built-up area. Through significant investments in recent years, ELICA has equipped its professionals with cutting-edge technology for a wide range of manufacturing processes. A skilled team of over 120 workers operates across 3 production buildings, engaging in various specialized tasks such as product assembly, punching, bending, carpentry, laser cutting, lathe machining, blasting, and painting. We deliver energy-efficient, high-performance turnkey solutions that ensure superior quality in the final product. Starting from customer needs, our engineers are developing the projects by integrating our equipment and technologies on defining the best configuration of the installations, looking to secure the minimum maintenance needs.